Let's take a good look at this, at the pool today. Those are the bottom drains. That's 9 feet, 9.5 feet down. I'll take you around. You can take a look at the finish. This is one of the seating areas. The sun is not out today. It's just a couple of sprinkles, but not much. This is a PMM finish, Pebble finish called Azure. There are the steps. If it was sunny out, you'd really see a lot of sparkling in the pool because it's got glass beads, a blue treasure glass beads, and also it has seashells in it, which if the sun was out, it would really be sparkling, like little diamonds. This is about a 3 feet on that end. And down there, that's 9 to 9.5 feet. It just slopes down. But everything is looking really good. The water has always been clear since the fill up. I have not had any cloudiness, no algae, nothing unusual, thank goodness. And that is where we're at today. I'm really happy with the finish, and I can't wait for the grandkids to start using it and enjoying it. They're going to love this year. And those are the new lights. Those are from Hayward. Shout out to Hayward. These are the ColorLogic 4 lights. Another seating area over here. All we had before in this pool was white plaster and old tiles. So they started work on this pool back in September. They came in, did whatever they had to do. They did a lot of jackhammering. They really did it all. And then they came back maybe in October and replaced all the new tile at the top. That's all new. That's called Bermuda blue, or blue Bermuda tile. Those are also inset in the seating and also the stairs. And we only did that just to give it a little bit of a extra little something special that we thought we would like. But this pool's been in, I think, about 21 years. Now you'd never know it. I would like to eventually replace all the decking here because it's aged, but that's a big dollar project. The pool was expensive enough this year, but totally happy that we did it. Thanks for watching.